I'm so excited about this bread proofer. It is the medium size. You can get the large size, which is about 5 or 6 inches wider and larger overall. It has a window on top. It's very sturdily made. Has a Velcro tab here. So when you open it, you can put your proofing things in here. So it has an electric panel on the 3 walls, the 3 large walls. So the front, the base, and the back. That's going to warm up the whole box inside. The box has zipper sides, so you can zip it closed, and you can fold it nicely into this little carry bag so you can put it away in your pantry when it's not in use. The box also comes with a dish so you can put water in it to put on the bottom of your box so that you would keep your dough from drying out, so you don't need to cover it. And then also a rack to put in the bottom as well. Now this can be used for many items. You can do for proofing your dough, sourdough. I make a lot of sourdough, and then for the dough to rise. You can also use it for seed germination, drying certain crafts. You can use it to keep a plate of food warm or any kind of items like that. So it has a variety of uses, which is really quite handy. This is a really sweet little box as well. I love it because when it's cold outside, this will keep the temperature of my bread dough rising at a consistent level instead of putting it in the oven. And now if I have it in the oven for a long period of time, sometimes I have to move it out because I'm going to be baking or cooking in my oven. So it's not always the best place to put it. So this comes with the plug, and you have to warm it up before you will put your dough in here. It will warm from 10 to 54 Celsius, which is 50 Fahrenheit to 130 Fahrenheit. So depending, it could take 5 minutes up to 20 minutes for it to warm up completely in here. Also, the temperature inside of the box is going to be 3 to 5 Fahrenheit lower than what you will have on your monitoring here, because the dough will absorb some of that heat, so that there's that discrepancy, but they made to allow that. Also, there will be a beep when your timer is done so that you don't overproof your dough. I really love this. It has a 1-year warranty. It has the temperature. It will go up to 24 hours in 1-hour increments. And the screen display is quite easy to read. It's also just very user-friendly and very cute little box. Folds down and packs away nicely. I highly recommend it. It makes a great gift, and I want to thank the brand for sending me this bread proofing box.